teachers, my name is Pennung Suwanvoradit, number 20, class 271. Today I'm gonna present about all of the contents that we studied for this half term. This half term we studied for 3 topics. The first one we study about the body, human introduction. 2. The layers of skin. 3. The circulatory system. And now we are studying about the human body introduction. The first one, the human body introduction has 2 parts. The first part is anatomy and the second part is physiology. Anatomy part is the shape of body, and most anatomy can be seen without a microscope. And the second part, physiology, it is how the part of the body works and the structure determine their function, and our body have the layers, and it called the layers of organization. Start with organismal is the biggest. 2 is the organ system. 3 organ. 4 tissue, and tissue go to cellular, and cellular go to chemical, and chemical is the smallest part of the level of organization. Then now we go to the our body. Our body has 11 systems. Here the first one is skeletal, second muscular, 3 cardiovascular, 4 nervous, 5 endocrine, 6 integumentary, 7 respiratory, 8 digestive, 9 urinary, 10 lymphatic, and 11 reproductive. Now we are starting with the skeletal system. The skeletal system, the structure of bones, cartilage, ligament, and joint. The function of skeletal system is the support. Is the big function of the skeletal is the support because it's about bones. And then the second long function is provide movement. And then we go to the second system is the muscular system. The muscular system is structure of skeletal muscle and the ossous muscle. And the function is the muscle contract, and is the big function for the muscular system is a provide movement, and it have a heat production is a function too for the muscular system. Then we go to the third one is the cardiovascular. Cardiovascular have a structure, its heart and blood vessel. A function of cardiovascular is useful as a carrier of nutrients, waste, and gases, and pump blood from the heart too. And then we go to the number 4 is the nervous system. And then we go to number 4. Number 4 is lymphatic system. The lymphatic system structure is a lymphatic vessel. The function is recover fluid for tissue drainage and clean the blood too. And then we are going to number 5, nervous system. The nervous system, the structure are brain and spinal cord. The function is respond to external and internal signal. And now we go to number 6. Number 6 is endocrine system. The endocrine system, the structure is thyroid and thymus. The function is direct long-term changes using hormone and growth. And then the function of endocrine is reproduction too. And we go to number 7 is integumentary system. The structure is skin, just skin. The function is protect, cushion, and waterproof. The next one is the respiratory system. The structure is lung and nasal passages. The function is delivery of air to sites where gas changes. Then we go to the digestive system. The digestive system structure are oral cavity, esophagus, stomach, small and large intestine, rectum, liver, and pancreas. The function is processing food, absorption of organic nutrients, mineral, vitamin, and water. And now we go to number 10, urinary system. The structure are kidney, uterus, and urethra. The function is extract nitrogen containing waste, urea, and uric, and control pH of the blood too. And the last one, number 11, is the reproductive system. The structure have two parts. The first part is male and the second part is female. The male part is scrotum, penis, accessory gland, and the female part are ovarian polyps or eggs, and uterine tube, and uterus, and vanica. And the function is production of sex cell and hormone to produce offspring. Now we go to the second one. The second topic is the layers of skin. But before we go to the layers of skin, I'm gonna tell you how to remember the 11 system of body. Very easy to remember that. The first one, skeletal. The function is support. Skeletal is support. 2. Muscular is provide movement. 3. Cardiovascular is used both are the carrier of nutrients, waste, and gases. Number 4, nervous system. You have to remember respond to external and internal signal. Number 5, endocrine. Endocrine is direct long-term changes using hormones. Number 6, integumentary system is a potent waterproof. Number 7, respiratory system is a delivery of air to site where gas changes. Number 8, digestive, processing food. Number 9, urinary is the aqueous nitrogen contain waste, urea, and uric. Number 10, lymphatic is a recover field for the tissue drainage. And number 11, the last one, is reproductive. The reproductive is production of sex cell and hormone. Okay, now we are going to the second topic with the layers of skin. Okay, and now we are start the second topic. The first one, the layers. This is the layers of skin. The layers of skin are epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissue. The skin made up of 3 main layers. All this, you can see this. And the structure of skin is a different layered nerve and gland of the skin, all known as the structures of the skin. And the skin is a protein called soft keratin. There are 3 layers of the skin: epidermis, and the epidermis function is contain cell. The dermis, the function is contain nerve ending, and the subcutaneous tissue is made up of fat. The epidermis is the top one, the dermis is the middle one, and the subcutaneous tissue is the down one. Subcutaneous, dermis, and epidermis. Okay, now we are going to the third topic, the circulatory system. And now we are going to the third topic for today is the circulatory system. The circulatory system, the function is carry nutrients to all body cells and carry waste away from all the body cells. And the concept of the circulatory system is a heart pump. Heart helps pump blood, and the blood vessel and the blood. Now we are going to look at here. We have the heart. Heart has the 4 rooms, and the location of the heart in our body near center of your chest in here, and the site of the heart is your chest first, and the heart have right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle, and the atrium have to receive blood, the ventricle have to pump blood. Now the right side of the heart is a pump blood from the heart to lung to exchange the gases, the carbon dioxide exchange to oxygen, and the left side pump blood from the heart to the rest of body, everywhere in the body. And now we are going to look at the 3 types of the blood vessel. The blood vessel have 3. The first one is arteries, second veins, and the third one is capillaries. The arteries is function is carry blood away from the heart, and veins is carry blood towards heart, and capillary is connect artery and vein together. Thank you for listening here, and I hope I got 20 points. Thank you. Hi teachers, my name is Pennung Suwanvoradit, number 20, class 2/1. Today I'm gonna present about all of the contents that we studied for this half term. This half term we study for 3 topics. The first one we study about the body, human introduction. 2. The layers of skin. 3. The circulatory system. And now we are studying about the human body introduction. The first one, the human body introduction has 2 parts. The first part is anatomy, and the second part is physiology. Anatomy part is the shape of body, and close anatomy can be seen without a microscope. And the second part, physiology, it is the how the part of the body works, and the structure determine their function. And our body have the layers, and it called the layers of organization. Start with organismal, is the biggest. 2 is the organ system. 3 organ. 4 tissue, and tissue go to cellular, and cellular go to chemical, and chemical is the smallest part of the level of organization. Then now we go to the our body. Our body has 11 systems here. The first one is skeletal, second muscular, 3 cardiovascular, 4 nervous, 5 endocrine, 6 integumentary, 7 respiratory, 8 digestive, 9 urinary, 10 lymphatic, and 11 reproductive. Now we are start with the skeletal system. The skeletal system, the structure of bones, cartilage, ligament, and joint. The function of skeletal system is the support. It is the big function of the skeletal. it support because it's about bones. And then the second long function is provide movement. And then we go to the second system is the muscular system. The muscular system structure are skeletal muscle and the otot muscle. And the function is the muscle contract and is a big function for the muscular system is a provide movement, and it have a heat production is a function too for the muscular system. Then we go to the third one is the cardiovascular. Cardiovascular have a structure is heart and blood vessel. A function of cardiovascular is useful are the carrier of nutrients, waste and gases, and pump blood from the heart too. And then we go to the number 4 is the nervous system.